Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this HDMI receiver and transmitter. This is for a wireless display. This actually can work for a lot of different reasons, but a lot of people use it to share things from, say, a PC to a television, as we have in our room here. It does come with a transmitter that works into an HDMI, so we're just going to simply get that shoved in over here, and that'll come on. And then you do have your receiver piece that actually plugs directly into a TV. This will allow for some low latency wireless transmitting, so you're going to slide that in there. Some devices will require you to have auxiliary power through USB, which is not a big deal. That's what a lot of them have anyway. And you plug that in there, and then that is all that takes. Now back on the computer side, as that is connecting real quick, I'm going to show you that it does have a couple of other dongles here that can go ahead and extend out for HDMI if you're needing to have access to that, and they do send you with an additional power cord, as well as two other bits here that can attach in to basically change it from an HDMI to looks like a micro USB, and also to this other port here as well. So it does come with some other additional options. And as I'm pulling up the internet to show things, it's going to show that on the television. This is with the screen mirroring, so you have the ability to do that. And it is very responsive, very intuitive. As I'm clicking around over here, it is immediately changing over there, closing out over here. And this will do it in 4K resolution, so as long as you get everything else set up, that's great. You also have the ability on this to use this as an extension of your laptop or device. If you go under your settings and you've got your graphics options here, you can actually have it be an extended desktop instead of a clone display, and you can actually select that. And now anything that you have on here, you can actually just drag over and use it like a secondary display. So anything that I bring up on here, I can drag that over. So that's really neat. It seems to work really well. Works up to, I think, 100 feet away with zero latency, so it'll be immediate transition. So if you're going to be sharing those documents on a presentation, or maybe you're just sharing some pictures with some friends, this is a great way to do that and have everything done wirelessly.